welcome back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju and today we have a special visitor. And do you know who it is? Let's give him a round of applause before. So, here he comes. Woo, 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 woo. It's an ant. He looks so cute and this ant made a wish today. He told me it. So I'm gonna tell you guys, he wants a friend. So let's fulfill this wish. Woo! So, walk, 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 walk. Oh, please tell me the wish. Come on. So let's make a friend. Yay! So to make this special friend, we need a specific length of paper. First, we need 5 into 20 centimeter strip of paper. We need 6 into 25 centimeter strip. Next, we need 5 into 10 strip of paper. Make sure centimeters. We need 5 into 15 centimeter stripped. And so to make the ant's legs, we need 1 into 16 stripped of paper, and we need 6 of these. So because an ant has 6 legs, so let's make this friend. Yay! So why are we waiting right here? Let's go and make this special friend. So first take 6 into 25 strips of paper and glue it together like into a ball. Like this. And now take 5 into 20 strips of paper and glue it together like we did with the 25 into like the other strip there. So now take 5 into 15 centimeter paper and glue it together. So be careful, just like cylinders. So now we have 3 cylinders. Now take 5 into 19 strip of paper and take like the first big one and put some glue and glue it right onto the end, like right in the middle, like this. And take the small cylinder, put some glue like this. The small one looks cute for me. So, and glue it like this. And do the same to the last one. I think they all look cute. Because they already are. And so now, look at this ant. Still kind of not really like an ant. So let's just glue in these middles. So be careful with this part. And glue. So be careful. And another piece of glue. And glue. Just like this. So now the body part of the ant is finished. But not yet, because we have to put its legs. So let's just keep this to a side and take our 6 strips of paper and line them up until the same line. Fold it like this. Keep the rest to the side and take 1, fold it, and then with these 2, fold them about like the correct size, like this. And do the rest. After all of your pieces of paper are folded, take your ant body, flip it over, flippity flop. So now glue them on glue. So look at this ant. It only has one leg, but it's gonna be happy with all the other. So keep gluing on it. Woo! Same to the next side. So one drop and stick. Whoa, look at this ant. It's already getting up and walking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So let's take a popsicle stick about this size and glue it like that so it can roll up and walk. And stick it on like this, right? Whew. Take 2 strips of paper the same length and line them up together and fold it like this, just like it. Now we have 2 antennas that we're gonna glue like that. And do the same to the other antenna, just like glue. Now let's make the ants' antennas like fold kind for both of them, so they can kind of look realistic like that. Whoop. Now, what is this ant missing? Of course, its eyes and its smile. So let's first make its eyes. Take 2 eyes and take the ant, take the glue stick and glue the eyes right on. Whoop. And glue on. Like that, right on. And so now the eyes are ready. Wait, what is this ant also missing? Of course, its smile. So take a black marker and draw a smile. So draw it kind of like a U shape. And draw 2 lines to make a smile. So now the ant is walking happily. Ooh. Oh, now let's take the first visitor and look. They're so happy, especially this one. Hi friend, how are you? I'm fine. Oh, I heard that you were just made. Oh, I was just made by a friend. This red one wants to say something to us. Let's hear it. Oh, thank you for making this friend. You're so kind. And look, now we're both friends, and I'm so happy. Thank you. Well, I'm happy too. This one has a friend because it used to be so lonely, and now it isn't. It looks so pretty. And kids, I hope you try this at home. They're like so cute, I can't just resist them. So, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. So, bye! Bye! Oh, and once again, thank you.